Okay, hello, welcome back, everyone. My name is Rochelle. If you caught the first video, part one, we are going to Disneyland, and so we are taking three under three for the first time. We're going to Disneyland as a family. My husband and I gone a bunch of times, but we are going with kids for the first time. So I am walking you through the process, and I hope you can find it helpful as well what to bring. But we're going with some Mickey and Minnie stuffed animals, but let me show you some more things that I am packing, and just some things that to think about that you may think, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Because with little ones, you just have to pack infinitely more, and even I forget things last minute. So last night I was considering the weather. It is August, so that means it's going to be pretty hot here in California, and I decided to buy some fans. I actually got 3 fans, so I'm gonna show you why I got 3 fans. Okay, so first is our stroller fan. Yes. We got this. I like that it has these like bendable legs. So if you want, you can, you can make a little tripod out of it. If you're sitting on a table at Disneyland, or just have it wrapped around your stroller. And the cool thing about this is that it changes colors. So this will be fun at nighttime. But hopefully by hand it'll cool down. So we'll just probably use it as a light app after that. Ooh, it does feel good. It is hot. Okay. And so then next I have this. This is going in my this is for me, this is going into my fanny pack. This is whoops, let me just turn these off. I like colors. Okay. So this is coming with me. This will be in my fanny pack. I love that it's compact and just a personal fan. Oh, so good. It's even hot in our house right now. So we've got the kids covered with the stroller fan. We've got me covered, and I think it might be a little bit humid. So that's why we have this fan. This, you can put water in it, and it will act as a fan and a mister because I know it's going to be humid. So just having some mist and a fan help keep us cool. So consider the weather when you are going, because being in Southern California, it's going to be hot probably a good amount of the year. So that's why it's good to consider the fan, having like a personal fan on you, and some hats for your little ones. Um, and don't forget sunscreen. This is called Sunny Stick, and I just recently got it for when we go swimming and then we go to the beach. And this is amazing. So it's essentially like a little makeup brush that you can apply foundation on, but it's got this slant to it. So why this is amazing for little ones is that it can go underneath their eyes in those kind of hard to reach areas to apply sunscreen. And I'd even use this for myself to put on zinc sunscreen that, when you put it on, it just is all white on your face. It actually like really blends in really well. So it's like perfect for little ones and adults. And then we have water. So on top of being cool, having a fan and sunscreen, some hats, hydration is important. So we have our twins of water bottles, complete with air tags. So that way we can find them easily and we're not going to leave them at the park. And then baby has water too. And then for nighttime, so back in the hotel, we are going to bring our Yodo player. Our twins love the Yodo player and the different cars that it comes with, and it's perfect for travel. We love our Yodo player so much, and If you don't know about the Yodel player, I did a video about how to make your own Yodel cards. But if they love this thing, it's just evening. It's nice to have something to listen to when we go to sleep at night. So I'm bringing our Yodel player, a Yodel charger, and this carrying case that we can pack in some cards, the Yodel player, and the charging cord. And then lastly, just one moment. Okay, so lastly, we are going to be bringing some kids sleep gummies. These are melatonin free, and these will just help our kids wind down. I don't know if they'll need it or not because of all the overstimulation and busy day at Disneyland and all the walking that we're going to be doing. But, we're out of our normal day to day routine, we're out of our own beds. So just having something like this on hand, um, I suggest whenever traveling. And then I don't think we'll need this, but just have some like Motrin on hand. This is infant's Motrin. So if baby needs something or twins need something, um, you know, we've got that covered. And I think it's better to be prepared than not prepared. So I've got some band-aids and hand sanitizer in my fanny pack. So, and again, this fanny pack This fanny pack is by Huggies, and it can fit diapers, wipes in it, snacks. It comes with its own little changing pad. If you saw the last video I made, so cute and so convenient. It just has a little Velcro strap and it can sit in there nicely. If you don't need it, you can just take it out and use it for other storage. So this is kind of like some extra essentials that you'll need in the hotel. And when you're at Disneyland, we're going to bring snacks. I'll show you some of the snacks that we'll have. I made some banana bread, so that way we can have some banana bread in the hotel if we get back and we need a little snack. But we're going to be doing most of our eating inside the park. We have some funds set aside for that. We got some gift cards. I bought some gift cards and I had one $50 gift card I earned through the Fetch app. I can link to that below too. But we're giving Disney gift cards essentially so that we have like a Disney debit card. So we have a set amount budget for the 2 days that we'll be there. And once it's out, it runs out. So we're excited. I already made a list of all the snacks that I want to try. And we are doing one Disney character dinner. But other than that, we are going to be eating mostly in the park and getting some ice cream at Salt and Straw because they have dairy-free options for my husband. And Salt and Straw, if you haven't had it, it is amazing. Even the dairy-free ice cream is incredible. You would never doubt. So I'm excited to show you some footage for when we're actually there and in the hotel and settled and everything like that. So hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to follow along for part 3 and maybe part 4, but probably just part 3. Okay, hope you have a great day. Bye now.